Hey mga kaibigan, welcome to Global Wealth Fund. So ituturo naman po natin kung paano sumali rito sa Global Wealth Fund by activating your Matrix Polygon. But first, you need to contact your sponsor and copy your sponsor's referral link. Then, after you copy your sponsor's link, pupunta po tayo sa any Web3 browser na wallet. So ito yung ginagamit ko, i-token packet. And just see to it that we have ample amount of Polygon. Now let's click discover and paste the link sa search area. Alright, click paste, click the blue link, click do not show again and continue. Click purchase rank. See to it na tama po yung sponsor mo. Click continue. And then we can purchase multiple levels, depende sa kaya mo. Alright, so let's click level 1, add to cart, and add to cart again yung level 2. Let's click add to cart level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6, or pwedeng mas more than that, yung higher level. Pero depende sa kaya mo. Balik muna tayo sa taas at i-click natin itong checkout. Ayan. So, since kulang po yung laman ko, yung Polygon ko ay hindi sapat, ay makikita mo insufficient balance siya. So, kung meron ka namang USDT, pwede namang USDT yung pambayad. Pero since you're using Polygon, so if you have enough Polygon sa wallet nyo, ay makikita po ninyong merong PayPal. I-click lang po ninyo yan. Just click confirm and then upgraded ka na. Now, let's go to staking. Alright, so scroll down, punta tayo sa new stake area at i-remove natin yung naka-default na 64 dito. And we can type the amount, click stake. Alright, you can pay at any option, pwedeng Polygon, pwedeng USDT. Okay, dito naman ngayon, since meron tayong GWF, we will use GWF. Let's click approve, enter password. And eto na, meron na tayong naka-stake. Pwede po tayong mag-add ng additional stakes. Eto, makikita natin, meron tayong mga upgrading options. Right friends, let's go back to main menu. This one, Matrix Pol. And click natin ang Hyperloop. Click purchase HDMP. Guys, optional lang po itong HDMP. Kailangan level 6 gold po kayo. Hanapin natin yung add to cart. Ito po. Let's click. Pwede tayong mag-click up to 5 clicks per set or batch. Batch ng payments po. Kasi po pagka sumobra tayo sa 5, hindi po siya na-accept. Ito, pwede natin gamitin yung Polygon o kaya USDT sa pang-payment. Pero GWF po yung kitaan dito sa Hyperloop. Also see to it you have enough Polygon for gas fee. Let's click pay button. Approve. And approve again. And confirm. Password. Confirm again. Ayan, na-accept na po. Alright, purchase successful. So, pwede naman nating ulitin batch of 5 ulit na sets. Ang maganda sa Hyperloop ay parang stock holdings ito na bumibili ka ng shares katulad sa mga big companies. And now, we can also use Binatrix. Passive po ito. We can earn also dividend sharings in dollars dito sa redundant Binatrix. Okay, let's click purchase tickets. Okay, minimum is $2, but you can buy multiple amount of $2. Alright, ito, RB1. Okay, just click add to cart and RB2, pwede ring magsabay tayo ng RB2, RB3. Sa ngayon, parang walang limit yata, there's no limit yet sa pag-purchase nitong RB shares. And then we will scroll down. Let's set USDT if we have amount of USDT. Alright. If it's not enough, we can adjust by removing some. And eto, lumabas na yung pay button. Let's click it. Let's click approve. Enter password and approve again. Ayan. So it's just so easy to join and activate your Global Wealth Fund business. Okay, pwede po kayong kumita ng dividend sharing kahit walang recruit. May 7.5 to 15% referral commission. At paulit-ulit po ang referral commissions, hindi po one time. At wala pong limit kung ilan ang direct referrals mo. Sa left and right group mo po, meron kang 10% infinity commission. Palakihin mo lang po yung yung cappings. Ito po yung capping natin. Simply buy more RB tickets para lumaki po yung cappings inyo. And let's click arrow to retract. Alright. Ito po yung claim button natin. Wala pong minimum yung withdrawals. Withdraw anytime po, any day. Alright. The more tickets you buy, marami ka pong libreng tickets dito. Ayan. So, meron tayong weekly and monthly raffle dito sa USDT. Ito po yung itsura ng raffles natin.